In this video, we will be doing natural looking baby boomer with sparkles coming up. I will use new sparkling color by Magnetic PolyGel as well as white, and to blend it I will need natural brush number 7. I already fit the form and prep the nail, then I apply dehydrator and non-acid primer. Depending on the brand you're using, you might need a base coat at this moment or a base gel. With Magnetic PolyGel, I usually do not use it. So I apply white right here on the free edge and start creating this shape. We decided to do natural looking short almond because this client, she usually had her natural nails long, but unfortunately she had some stress and most of them broke. So we're trying to recreate this look now with the product. So when doing almond, specifically when it's short, you need to be sure that it's symmetrical and all the curves are identical. Then I turn the brush around and simply stretch the white color upwards, but do not stretch it all the way up to the cuticle. Make sure it's only halfway. Besides perfect shaping, make sure that the product is not too thick near the free edge. And now I will cure it for 30 seconds in LED lamp, remove the form, and we can slightly pinch it if we need, but we decided not to do this because the nail is pretty short, we don't really need this. And then I apply this new sparkle color near the cuticle and do the cuticle work first and then slightly stretch it towards the free edge. With PolyGel Magnetic, I use alcohol as the liquid that prevents the product from sticking up to the brush. I took the remaining product, because I obviously applied too much, right back into the jar. So that's about it. Cure for another minute in LED, and now we only need to slightly shape and file it. I already tried this product. I have a few videos on my channel. I will leave all the links down below, and I like it. It's pretty soft, and compared to most polygels that I tried, it's rather thin consistency, meaning you need to work a little faster to avoid flooding the sidewalls. But there's also an advantage in it. This product is so easy to create a smooth surface as well as super easy to blend. That's why I think these colors work just fine for creating baby boomer. The white color is more like natural white. It's not like extreme bright white, it's more like milky white color. So after filing, I also slightly buff the surface to make sure it's all smooth, we don't have any remaining scratches there. And then you need to get rid of the dust, make sure you remove it all, and apply the top coat. When working with PolyGel, I highly recommend using soak-off top coats because they are soft as well as the product, unlike hard gel top coats that might crack on the sides, but once again it depends on the product you are using. After applying the top coat, I will cure it in LED lamp for 1 minute, and that's it. Natural looking short almond baby boomer. What do you think? Have you already tried doing baby boomer with PolyGel? If you did, please share which colors do you think are the best match. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Bye!